What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are down at our main shop. We got a few different things going on here. First off, we have this truck we need to get out of here. Rodrigo just completed a full service on this. He did pretty much every single oil on here, all the filters, pretty much everything you can name. We have this plow here in the way. We need to get it out of here. This is the plow that came off of the white truck, the white Big International. It's a manual. I spoke about this briefly in a past video. This pin let go. I don't know if it snapped or if it like unthreaded and fell out or what happened, but that piece gets pinned in right there. Obviously it is apart, but once we had this apart, we realized there's a lot of cracks on it, so we need to get it welded before we put it back on that truck. But we have to move it out of the way in order to get this truck out of here. Then we're gonna grab Rodrigo's Terrastar, the green one, and get it back inside the shop right here. We gotta pull the front plow and the wing plow off of it. The guy that is wrapping it is coming on Sunday to start on that truck. Where are you gonna put it? Okay. This tight, like an inch or two wider, and it was not getting out the door.
And try to push right here.
Can you do that?
Abajo. Abajo. Vámonos. Back, 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 back. Hey! Back, back. Pull down and back pass. Down, down, down. 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 Back the way to.
That's your cabeza.
No, just hold the letra and hold the way the check is there.
Yep.
Back the way.
Back.
Yeah, back and down the way.
All right, guys, we got this truck parked inside here, all the plows off of it and ready to go. The next time you guys see this, it is going to be looking much different. It should look exactly like my truck as long as things go to plan. We are going to get the little dust and stuff off of it real quick before the guy gets here. He's coming Sunday. It's Friday afternoon right now. So by the time he is here, this thing will be nice and clean, ready to go for him. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.